So guys, this video is all about Fitbit Versa Smartwatch, a company that is owned by Google recently. After 1 week of usage, I'm gonna give you my full thoughts on a Fitbit Versa Smartwatch. This is basically my upgrade from Mi Band 2 to a smartwatch. So let's get started. So I have 1.32 inch screen on it, which is LCD screen with 145 mAh battery. Fitbit claims that it has up to 4 days battery life. Even though I don't have a huge wrist, I think it just looked fine. I went with purple strap and aluminium body, and I have no durability issue because I am a rough user and it works perfectly for me. Durability test passed. I do wear it on my left wrist because it is a smartwatch. A couple weeks ago, Fitbit launched Fitbit Versa 2 at 21,000 rupees price tag in India. And currently the price of Fitbit Versa is around 14k at Amazon and around 17k at Flipkart. But I have bought it in just 10,000 rupees on a Flipkart sale. In Fitbit Versa smartwatch, there's aluminium finished rectangular flat display that looks pretty cool, and tactile buttons on both sides seems great. There are so many features and couple extra bands within the box. It has all the features which are necessary on a smartwatch, like intake burn, activity tracker, heart rate tracker, sleep tracking, and is specially designed for female wearers for tracking of period cycles. As it is a unisex device, so male, female both can wear it. And more features like music player on a smartwatch. It seems gimmicky because why should one play music on a smartwatch? But that's a feature. Usual stuffs like notification, accept and reject calls, and many more. And Fitbit confirmed that all Fitbit watches will get always on display in upcoming days. In this display, animation a smooth, touch responsive screen. User experience is quite good. And tons of watches are available for this, so no need to worry about it. Looking at watch, like on a smartphone nowadays, you have already used to this gesture you have to do to get it to recognize that you are looking at it, and it light up whatever your latest notification is, or just see the time. Same gesture is here, and it's a pretty obvious gesture. And just a thought about easy to use and a simple app user interface are here. It's a smartwatch. You already know what it does, but the brand value makes it expensive. Although it is a quality product, but it is less expensive than Apple, Samsung and Huawei watches. It's not a must-have device, but for the stuff I usually do, which is having the great display, telling the time, workouts, notification, that's just basically it. I mean, anything extra is a bonus. If you want a smartwatch, then this is the Fitbit Versa to get. But anyway, that's about it. For more this type of videos, tell us in the comment section below. And you can ask anything about tech. I will surely answer your question. Subscribe for more.